Hi, my name is Marta Martinez and I'm the listing agent from Casas De Leon. Welcome home. If you are looking to buy a home, please stop by in Casas De Leon. You can reserve your house with only $500. This home comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3-car garage. With Casas De Leon, the only thing that you need is your down payment. We can take care of your closing costs. Plus, we can get money for your buy down up to 3%. With Casas De Leon, all the appliances are included in stainless steel, plus washer and dryer. Casas De Leon has many floor plans starting at $220,000. Our home comes with tankless water heater. Casas De Leon has 5-star energy homes. This is our model home. We are located at Pebble Hills, 14624. Please visit us between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Our team is here daily to serve you.